Hi guys, welcome back to Mark's Home Kitchen. So today I have a super quick and decadent treat for you all. Just 4 ingredient chocolate fudge. Yes, you heard that right. With just 4 ingredients, we'll whip up a batch of rich, creamy chocolate fudge in no time. So let's get started. First, we're going to prepare the fudge mixture. Now you're going to grab a medium-sized saucepan and we're going to place it over a medium heat. Now we're going to add 400 gram can of condensed milk. Then we're going to add 30 grams of butter. And finally, for that rich chocolate flavour, we're going to add 4 tablespoonfuls of cocoa powder. Now we're going to stir that constantly to prevent any lumps from forming, and we're going to keep stirring until the mixture comes to a boil. Now once the mixture is boiling, we're going to reduce the heat slightly and let that simmer for 10 minutes, stirring constantly. This will allow the fudge to thicken and develop that irresistible creamy texture that we all love. So now that our fudge is thickened beautifully, it's time to cool it down. Now we're going to take a small dish and we'll line that with plastic wrap or parchment paper, and then we'll pour all the fudge back into it. Then we're going to cover the top of the fudge with more plastic wrap to prevent the skin from forming, and we'll allow the fudge to cool at room temperature for 1 to 2 hours or just until it is set. Now once the fudge is cooled and firmed up, it's time for the fun part. We're going to take this fudge out of the dish, remove the plastic wrap, and then we're going to place it onto a clean surface. Now using your hands, we're going to roll the fudge into bite-sized ball pieces. Remember, you can adjust the size according to your preference. You can get creative. Then to add the extra crunch and a delightful nutty flavour, we're going to coat our fudge balls with peanuts. We're going to take a handful of peanuts which we've chopped and we're going to place them into a shallow dish. Roll each fudge ball in the peanuts, making sure that they're evenly coated, and then just set them onto a plate. You can gently press the peanuts into the fudge to ensure they stick. So now our 4 ingredient fudge is ready to be enjoyed. Look at these little bites of chocolate heaven. You can serve them immediately, or if you prefer a firmer texture, refrigerate them for an additional hour. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week, although I doubt they'll last that long. Now folks, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at my further videos.